Westport, Kansas City, hot area, got good places to eat, but that's not why we're here, because we just ate. So we're here to ask people the importance of
giving.
So at J29 Creative, one of our core values is actually giving, and that's why we're out here today doing this interview with the public. What is the importance of giving? Why is giving important?
So it forces you to step outside of yourself, to look into them, to see what they might need, to be selfless but also self-aware. Why is it so important to give?
Good question. Well, it just builds community. It just helps. I mean, we're humans, and you know, we need each other to like help each other. So.
I think it's important to give, so you set a good example, especially for the youth, and then it's just good for your heart. It just makes you feel good, especially if you're giving with no expectation.
It's important to give because right now in the world it's not a lot of love. Giving is the only way to really show love in this day and age. Sorry, I gotta catch my Uber.
Awesome. Watch this. Whoa.
Gotta work now. What are you doing, Paco?
So we're gonna